Cyrus here, Off-Grid Maker. Well, I get up this morning to start doing some work outside in the garden, and I find this. The dogs have been doing some gardening. So they've dug up the raised bed, scattered the dirt everywhere. Our little TP deal that we made here for the squash. Squash plant's gone. Dirt spread around everywhere. So we get to fix that. And yeah, a little extra work. No step for a stepper, just keep on keeping on. I didn't get our squash. Planted some squash right here in this tire, right by this little tree, little crooked tree. And I didn't get this bed over here. Still looks all right. What a mess. Little setback. We're all gonna have them. Okay, so you guys saw what the dogs did to the vegetable beds that we built yesterday, and came to the other side of the property because I knew I had a roll of fencing over here. So I am going to get the trailer and the Mountain Goat, which is the Nissan Xterra, and come over here and load this up and take it back over to the other side of the property where I can cover the raised beds with it and hopefully keep the dogs out of the beds. That is my plan. Well, we're back. The field fence has been cut and attached to all the beds. We replanted in the little TP bed. We put cucumbers and I don't remember. Eggplant and cucumber in there. And then we got the tomato plants back in their dirt, gave them a drink. They seem to be looking a little better. And what I did is I just cut the field fence to the width and let it hang over just an inch or two, and bent it over the edge of the raised bed and ran a couple of screws in each side. I didn't fasten it completely, that way we can pull it off. It's just a matter of pulling the metal over, around and over the screw, and then it'll come off, and that'll come in handy because we're going to put in some straw to help hold moisture. So hopefully this will work fine and the dogs will stay out of them. They haven't quite learned to garden yet, so I can't let them get in there. Problem solved, right? Hope so.